Bitcoin has just confirmed an extremely bullish signal as we are flipping a major area of resistance into support. And after a very volatile and bullish weekend, we are seeing some interesting signs on the chart. So we're going to be talking about exactly how I am trading this and the next trade setup I am personally looking for. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. The weekly time frame has just confirmed a very historic bullish signal. We have confirmed a green dot momentum wave below the zero line on the weekly market Cipher B. Now, we've only done this 2 other times since the bottom of the bear market, and each time it has led to a massive push to the upside. The first time was back here in November 2022, which ended up giving us a massive 86% pump to the upside. The second time was right over here in September 2023. This ended up giving us a very large 200% move to the upside. And now we've got our third time right here in July 2024. Now, if we also take a look at the weekly money flow, we can see it is getting thicker over time. And we understand that the confirmation of this green dot has happened after the confirmation of a very bullish daily divergence, which we see here on market Cipher B. If we take a look down here, as the price was getting lower, the momentum waves and the money flow on the daily time frame were both getting higher, giving us the very juicy uneven butt cheek pattern where we have a very juicy left butt cheek followed by a very skinny right butt cheek. If we go ahead and impose these onto the chart, we can see that the resemblance is indeed striking. This is why I was so bullish for the past 2 weeks, publicly opening up long trades and telling you guys I was looking for a large pump to the upside. And by the way, if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, my 2 go-to exchanges right now are number 1, MEXC, which gives you the best deal on fees, a 0% limit order fee, plus a 0.01% take your order fee, and 0% spot fees, meaning you can go in and out of Bitcoin on spot without having to pay any fees. Link in the pinned comment and description if you are interested. I'm also currently trading on an exchange called BLOFIN, and BLOFIN right now does not require KYC. It does not require any kind of VPN to use. And if you sign up using my link, you get a lot of bonuses, including discounted fees, 15% cash back on your deposits, plus a chance to win a whole bunch of cool prizes. Links in the pinned comment and description if you're interested. Also, guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, the best trading community in the world, where every single day our multiple instructors are doing multiple live streams, giving you their setups and their plans throughout the day, like this short setup that we gave during the live New York Open live stream today. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click this link to join the VIP Discord, where you will also find a complete beginner's course, the best trading community in the world. So back on the chart, what else is very bullish about this? Well, we've officially confirmed a daily candle close above this high volume node at $67,000. Now, if we take a look at yesterday's candle, which was a Sunday, so it's a little shady, but we got a test of this level where we tried to close that candle below that white line at the $67,000 high volume node, but we got a very bullish wick and a very strong candle close, which ended up giving us that very bullish weekly candle close. And as long as we're trading above this $67,000 level, it's more probable than not that we will see the price get a move to the top of the range. But as we're watching things unfold here, there is a word of caution. The daily time frame is starting to top out, which means we could see a nice retracement here. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we are starting to see bearish divergences form on the chart, where as the price continues to make higher highs, the momentum waves are making lower highs. And we really want to watch this 4-hour money flow, because if we see this start to tick to the downside and the price keeps getting higher and the momentum waves keep getting lower, then we do need to expect a bit of a pullback. And full disclosure, if we do get a pullback, I'm going to be looking to buy the dip, long the dip, and add to my open long trades on the dip. Why is this? Well, for the following reasons. If we take a look back at our daily time frame and we pull our Fibonacci from the high to the low, we can see that we are coming up to the key zone of resistance between the 618 and the 786. Now remember, for me, key resistance is going to be right now around this area, okay, around that $70,000 zone. Having confirmed above the point of control, looking for a move to the upside, this is now going to be key resistance. Even though we're coming into key resistance right here, the reason why I'm still looking to buy the dip is because even if we get a pullback from here, let's say we get a pullback from here, this is still very bullish market structure. Why? Well, because we had our high, our low, our lower high, our lower low, our lower high, our lower low. Now we've made a higher high, taking out 2 of the lower highs in the previous downtrend, which means if we do get a rejection from resistance, we can look to buy the dip. Now, where would we be looking to by that dip? Well, it depends, but we could pull Fibonacci from around this last swing low that we made here about 56.7 to a potential new high and see that the retest of around 60K looks very, very juicy for a potential bounce, which then could give us our new high. And by that time, the daily time frame could be looking like this, giving us another little boost of momentum right here. And also by that time, it will give the 4 hour and the 1 hour some time to cool off and print some nice new bullish divergences after a little bit of a pullback. Now, another reason why I'm looking for a bounce if we do get a pullback here is because the higher time frames, in my opinion, are king. If the weekly time frame is confirming a green dot, this means that I am looking to buy the dip. All right, let's just go back in time and look at all the other opportunities that we had here with these green dots printing on the weekly, right? We printed our green dot on the weekly right here. We got a big push to the upside, but then we ended up getting a drop of about 11%, which was the opportunity of the lifetime. Then over here, we printed our green dot, and then we ended up getting a pullback of about 8%, which was the opportunity of the entire bull run. So if we get a pullback right here, coming down to that $60,000 level, that is going to be a pullback of about 10, 11%, just like what we've seen in the past, coming down to key support, which would then allow us to get into potentially the last big long opportunity of this bull market cycle. So that is what I'm looking at right now, guys. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click that bell for notifications. Personally, and full disclosure, I am looking for some local short trades around this area because I know we're at key resistance. However, if you don't know how to trade on low time frames, if you're not a scalper, I would be cautious shorting around these levels unless you have good confirmation at a level. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you're not religious, I still pray everybody in your family and yourself are very blessed. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.